Whether you have idiot lights or full instrumentation, I can't overstress the importance of periodic inspection of all the fluid levels and conditions under the hood.
Motoring 89, holy cow. 29 short years ago, I figured out my weight gain mathematics. I think it's a pound per year. What's changed since then? Well, that advice I gave back then, just as relevant, just as important today, because these vital fluids, well, we call them vital fluids, because they are vital to the life of the powertrain in our vehicles. Now, what has changed since '89? Well, actually quite a bit. For example, this engine coolant that Subaru uses is good for 11 years now. We didn't have any engine coolant in '89 that was good for 11 years. Way bigger change interval, less maintenance, it's good for all of us, right? We also didn't have zero W20 motor oil back then. In fact, in '89, we didn't have as many synthetic motor oils. It was an opt-up for everybody back then. There were synthetic motor oils, but not to the degree we see today. And now we've got all kinds of brand new cars that come with synthetic motor oil as the factory fill. So that's what you need to do on an ongoing basis. You need to maintain the vehicle with that synthetic motor oil. It's more expensive, but it works way better, protects your engine better, so it's money well spent. Now, another thing that's really changed since '89, in '89, if you wheeled a vehicle into my shop, car, truck, pickup, whatever, if we had to pull the engine out to do major repairs on the engine, it was pretty easy to get it out. We could do it really fast, and we could go to a wreckers and buy an engine and put one in, and we did all kinds of things. Now, engines are so sophisticated that a lot of them can't even be fixed in the field in a repair shop. So if something goes wrong with the engine, out comes the whole engine, and another crate, we call them crate engines, goes into the car, because there's a lot of these engines that can't be rebuilt properly with the equipment and technology that's available in the repair field. They've got to be done in a factory environment. Read more money, more expense. So if you change and check all these fluid levels properly, likelihood is you'll never have to do that. That's your motoring tip of the week.